the chain jumping. You got it.
I'm so jealous of reverse.
You know what's weird is it actually feels smaller than the shifter cart.
Really?
I feel more crammed. My knees have to be more bent. Power on.
Dude, it's doing wheelies.
Yeah?
Yeah, so you're not able to steer because it's literally doing wheelies.
Right there, you're good. Right there, you're perfect. Hit it.
Dude, I'm dizzy, bro. I'm dizzy, bro.
Oh!
Let's see how fast we can go. This is full throttle in mode 1. This is 30 horsepower, I think. Oh god, the chain. Ah! Ah! Oh, the understeer. Ah! That kind of hurt, dude. Oh yeah, I f***ed it up. It's